Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey Emma, you ever feel like you're stuck in a rut with your English practice?
Oh, totally. Sometimes it feels like I'm just going through the motions. Got any ideas to mix it up?
Actually, yeah. I was thinking about trying something new. How about we do a role play exercise? Like, pretend we're at a restaurant or something.
That sounds fun. Let me be the customer, and you can be the waiter. Ready?
Alright, let's do it. Clears throat. Good evening, ma'am. Can I take your order?
Laughs. Sure. Let me see. I'll have a spaghetti and a glass of red wine, please.
Excellent choice. Any appetizers to start?
How about some garlic bread?
Coming right up. Any dessert for later?
I'll have to think about that. Let me get back to you.
No problem. So, Emma, how often do you think we should do these role plays?
I dunno, maybe once or twice a week. Keeps things fresh.
Yeah, I agree. And it's kind of fun too. Got any other ideas for practice?
We could try storytelling. Like, we each take turns adding to a story. What do you think?
Sounds awesome. Want to start now or save it for next time?
Let's save it for next time. We'll need some time to come up with a good plot.
Deal. Hey, did you know role playing like this helps improve fluency?
Really? How so?
Well, it forces you to think on your feet and use everyday language. Plus, it's less pressure than a real conversation.
Makes sense. And it's more interesting than just doing drills.
Exactly. Alright, I gotta go, but let's do this again soon.
For sure. See ya, Alex.
Bye, Emma. Hey Emma, remember our storytelling idea? Ready to give it a shot?
Definitely. Let me start. Once upon a time in a small village,
There was a young boy named Jack who dreamed of adventure.
one day, he found a mysterious map in his attic.
The map led to a hidden treasure deep in the forest.
Excited, Jack packed his bag and set off on his journey.
Along the way, he met a talking squirrel named Squeaky.
Squeaky offered to guide Jack through the forest in exchange for some nuts.
Jack agreed and they set off together, facing many challenges.
They crossed a rickety bridge and climbed a steep hill.
Finally, they reached the spot marked on the map.
They dug and dug until they found a chest filled with gold and jewels.
Jack was overjoyed and thanked Squeaky for his help.
They decided to share the treasure and live happily ever after.
That was fun. Great practice for thinking on the spot.
Yeah, and it really helps with creativity too. We should do this more often.
Agreed. Next time, let's try a different genre. Maybe a mystery or sci-fi.
Sounds cool. Can't wait. All right, see you next time, Alex.
See ya, Emma. Hey Emma, got another idea for practice. How about we try a debate?
Ooh, that's a good one. What topic?
How about the importance of learning English? You take the pro side, I'll take the con.
All right. English is crucial for global communication. It opens up so many opportunities.
True, but it can also be overwhelming and stressful for non-native speakers.
But think about the benefits. Better job prospects, access to more information.
Sure, but it can also create a barrier if someone isn't fluent, leading to frustration.
Overcoming that barrier builds resilience and confidence.
It's also important to value and preserve native languages and cultures.
Absolutely, but learning English doesn't mean losing your own language.
Good point. It's all about balance. Both sides have valid points.
Exactly. That was a great exercise. Makes you think and articulate your thoughts clearly.
Yeah, and it's useful for real-life discussions too.
Definitely. All right, I gotta run. Let's practice again soon.
For sure. Take care, Emma.
You too, Alex. Bye.
Hey Emma, I've got another fun idea for practice. Want to play a quick game of 20 questions?
Oh, I love that game. You start. Think of something, and I'll guess.
All right, I got it. Go ahead.
Is it a person?
Nope.
Is it an animal?
Nope.
Is it a thing?
Yep.
Is it something you can eat?
Nope.